Are you tired of scrolling endlessly and finding nothing useful? Let's change that. Let's dive in. First up, tinywow.com. Need to convert PDFs, compress videos, or remove watermarks? tinywow is your one-stop solution. tinywow's got over 100 free tools for your daily problems, all for free. Next, Photopea.com. Can't afford Photoshop? No worries. Photopea is a browser-based, free alternative. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Open PSDs, edit layers, and export like a pro. It's like having Photoshop without the hefty price tag. Tired of spam emails? Temp-mail.org to the rescue. This site is a lifesaver for keeping your inbox clean. Generate a fake email instantly, stay anonymous, and say goodbye to spam. It's that simple. 7 Remove.bg is your go-to for removing image backgrounds in 2 seconds. No more tedious manual editing, just upload and download, free and easy. It's a game changer for designers. 6 PDFEscape.com lets you edit PDFs online. Upload, edit, sign and save, no software needed. It's perfect for quick edits on the go. 5 CleanPNG.com has thousands of free transparent PNGs for your designs, ideal for any project. No watermarks, no nonsense. Just pure high-quality images. 4 ScribeHow.com automatically creates tutorials by recording your screen. It's a must-have for educators and trainers, perfect for training or guides. Save time and effort with this tool. 3 JustWatch.com is your streaming search engine. Never miss out on your favorite shows again. Find out where any movie or show is available instantly. It's your ultimate streaming guide. 210minutemail.com offers another way to create a temporary inbox that self-destructs in 10 minutes. Great for signups and trials. No more spam. Finally, PrintFriendly.com. Clean up any web page for printing or saving without ads or junk. It's a lifesaver for students and professionals alike. Bonus tip: bookmark these sites in a Tech Tools folder in Chrome. Keep them handy for future use. You will thank you every week. Found this useful? Like, subscribe and share with someone who's still using Google the old way. This is Tech for You, bringing you smarter tools every week.